Hello everyone, welcome back to my another unboxing video. We are unboxing today AirPod Pro. This is Apple AirPod Pro Replica, and this one is a good quality one. This one have a wireless charging case and GPS system, and their sound quality is nearest to the original one. So before we do the unboxing, if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, please subscribe now and press the bell icon for my future upcoming video notification. I highly appreciate your support to my YouTube channel. As with your support, I will bring you more unboxing and reviewing video. Let's start the unboxing. So their packaging and look like the same as Apple AirPod Pro. So let's open up. As I said, I bought this one from Alibaba just for the unboxing video, and their reviews are really good. So the box is kind of stuck in there. I have to apply a little bit force. There you go. It's open up. So on the box they says on one side Apple AirPod Pro wireless charging case, and inside there's a packaging in there, says designed by Apple in California, but this one is a fake one, but it look like original. There's some paperwork inside. They have mentioned some of the information in there, and you can connect with watch, with iPad, iPhone, laptops, MacBooks. There's some more paperwork in different languages. Put that on a side, and there's a actual pod, and there should be something underneath there as well. So we have 1 meter of charging cable. Let's open up this one as well and see the length. I think is a 1 meter. So this one is USB-C to lightning cable. So yeah, it's 1 meter. It's a good quality one. Put that on a side, and there's some extra tips for the AirPod, 4 of them. 2 is a small size and 2 is a large size. It just fell off when I open up, and there's some information there as well. So let's put that on a side. So just take the cellophane off on this one. It's just like original one. So they just look like the original one. On the back this is designed by Apple in California, and the charging bit in the bottom, and there's a LED indicator light in here. If you just open up like that, and there's some numbers inside as well, serial number, and the battery capacity is 519 milliamp. This is inside. EMC 2862, model number is 82190. So they just exactly same like AirPod Pro. Both of them have a numbering on them as well. Let's start connect with my phone. So first of all, I think I have to press the button in the back. Straight away the shows indicator in here. Press and hold the button in the back and connecting. So the says cannot verify AirPod because this one is a replica clone version of AirPod, so they did not have original firmware inside, so that's why that shows this kind of information here. But there is an option there, connect in Bluetooth settings, so I'll connect other way, but that will work, I hope so. So it's connected. This is the change is connected, and there's another message, cannot verify AirPod. These headphones could not be verified as genuine. Apple AirPod Pro, would you like to connect anyway? Just connect anyway. And you can change the name of your AirPod here as well. That shows my name in there because my name been set up in my phone, so they have the same name. Disconnected again. Okay, connected, shows connecting again. Let's see if that work. That shows message in here, AirPod Pro connected. Try both of them, and it's start playing the music straight away from my music app. And let's see if they have so this one is 50% volume. The sound is really amazing in there. Let me show you with the mic. I'm using DJI wireless mic, so a tiny speaker we cannot show you. And this one have a touch system in there as well, because I'm touching them is start pausing the music, and because I don't know how they work with a touch system. And when we touch is just stop working and stop. Okay, just touch on the bottom. So they work very good. By touching them, they just start pausing your music. And let's go to a different music in there, and let's see how they feel like. They have a similar bass to this one as the original one, and deep low voices sound you can customize as well. There would be some option in the setting. We'll have a look into that one as well. So guys, you can also customize your AirPod Pro in phone setting. So let's connect that again, and go to the setting and go to Bluetooth, and then click on your Bluetooth device on AirPod Pro I button, and here you can adjust your, you can rename them. I remove my name and just leave AirPod Pro. Go back. I can use a different setting of noise cancellation, on off, transparency, and I can use a noise cancellation. I can control left and right, customize button to choose a noise cancellation, or use a Siri in there. Also I can use automatic ear detection, that's already on. There is a personalized spiritual audio, microphone automatic, optimized battery charging, show in my find my devices that have a function enable. As I said, they have a GPS inside your AirPod. So in here, accessibility, there's so many different options. You can customize your AirPod Pro, and that's information about them: model name AirPod Pro, model number A3000, serial number in here, version 38283, and this one is a fake AirPod Pro coverage. So guys, you can also control your AirPod setting. If you go press down the control center, and there's a AirPod connected via Bluetooth, just click on that one. So here you can control spiritualize audio. You can click on that one. You can turn off or use a fixed sound in there, or use a head track. So this is a AirPod Pro, but this one is a fake one. So but their sound and their look and they feel like original. Nobody can easily say that they are the fake one. Even listening to them, they have the same control, same pause option, same play option. You can answer call while you are wearing them. You can just squeeze, there's a V part in here just like original one. So as the shape is original as well, 7 basic setting in there you can customize, and you can just use just like original AirPod Pro. So their sound is good. I would definitely recommend if somebody looking for a cheap AirPod Pro, so they can buy from Alibaba. I will leave a link in description. You can buy as a minimum 2 pieces in there, and you can buy from AliExpress. That's your own choice. And I really like them. I will use for myself and test it out more how they sound on different music So I will also can connect with my watch which I bought for the unboxing and review video, H11 Ultra Pro upgraded. They can connect with that one, and this case is a wireless charging case, same like original one. So 100% recommended if somebody want to buy this one. I will leave a link in description. So this was my unboxing video of AirPod Pro, replica of Apple AirPod Pro. They are look the same and feel like a same, sound just like a same as original one. So if you like my video, please leave a like and leave your comments, and stay tuned to my YouTube channel Towheed Tech, and I will bring you some more unboxing and review video. Thank you very much for watching. See you in next video.